Are you considering getting a Bit2Me debit card, but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Let's start with an overview of the Bit2Me debit card. This card is primarily designed for crypto enthusiasts who want to convert their digital assets into fiat currency and use them for everyday purchases. It works just like a traditional debit card, but with the added flexibility of spending your cryptocurrency. The card supports several major cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. One of the major advantages of the Bit2Me debit card is its ease of use. You can easily convert your crypto to cash, making payments at any location that accepts regular debit cards. It's accepted worldwide, allowing for online and in-store purchases. Additionally, there are no hidden costs for converting crypto into fiat, which is a huge benefit for those trying to minimize fees. Now, let's dive into some of the fees associated with the Bit2Me debit card. While the card itself is free to order, there is a small issuance fee. You also encounter withdrawal fees if you decide to take cash out from an ATM, and transaction fees apply for certain types of purchases. It's important to note that these fees vary based on your region and the amount you're withdrawing. One thing that stands out is that the card doesn't charge monthly maintenance fees, which sets it apart from many competitors. However, the card isn't without its downsides. The biggest drawback for some users might be the limit on how much crypto can be converted in a day, which could be restrictive for large spenders. Another limitation is that Bit2Me currently doesn't offer as wide a range of supported cryptocurrencies compared to some other providers. Bit2Me also offers additional services, like real-time transaction tracking through their app. You can monitor your spending and manage your funds directly from your mobile device, which is a big plus for those who are constantly on the go. Overall, the Bit2Me debit card is an excellent option for anyone looking to seamlessly integrate cryptocurrency into their daily life. Whether you're using it for small purchases or managing a larger crypto portfolio, it's a convenient tool. The benefits outweigh the cons for most users, especially if you are already using Bit2Me for other crypto services. If you want more insights on how to optimize your crypto spending and explore additional options, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video.